If you're getting the video moderated error in Grok AI, it's usually because this system predicts your video could violate its safety rules. Even if your prompt seems harmless, here are three quick fixes. First, avoid overly realistic wording. Instead of terms like photorealistic, raw footage, CCTV, or real person, try using cinematic, stylized, animated, or digital art. Secondly, avoid explicit, violent, or NSFW words. Terms like blood, attack, crash, nude, or sexy can trigger moderation. Describe the scene more indirectly instead. Finally, if you have had several failed attempts, start a new session. Grok can become temporarily stricter after repeated moderation flags, so refreshing the page or waiting a few minutes may solve the issue. That's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.